Welcome to Barrack Mitsubishi. My name's Josh, and today we've got something quite special for you. It's an awesome opportunity and a great way to get some savings on a 2019 MY20 Mitsubishi Outlander LS. And that beautiful red, guys, this is an amazing car. Starting from the front, I am going to walk you through the condition and some of the actual features of the vehicle. Very low kilometers, so as you can imagine, this car is pretty much spot on. Starting at the front, it's got that really nice dynamic shield look in the front end, chrome front grille and the chrome Mitsubishi badging situated right in the middle. It's a very sleek, elegant, modern design that Mitsubishi has gone for in these new Outlanders, and the red paintwork just looks incredible at that front end. It's a car that really does stand out, and that red's a very vibrant color as well. You get nice sharp headlights in these models with the daytime running lamp integrated into that headlight, and those projector beams, clear beam of light as well. Down the bottom, I've also given you the fog lights, which are integrated into that chrome grille as well, which do give you good visibility in foggy conditions. Making our way to the first alloy wheel, once again, very nice multi-spoke design with the brushed aluminium and dark gunmetal grey, almost black kind of look to it. It is a beautiful wheel, and it does once again contrast very nicely with the red paintwork. You've got really good condition on those tires as well. Along this side, paintwork once again does present pretty much spot on. It is a beautifully looked after vehicle, especially for its low kilometers. You've got the color match side mirrors and door handles, and the indicator is also built into that side mirror there. Now, being keyless entry, the button on the door does let you lock and unlock the door. When you lock the door, your mirrors fold in, which means if you forget if you have locked your car when you walk away, just have a look at your mirrors, and that'll give you a very clear indication of the lock status of your car. On the inside, probably my favorite seats in the Outlander range are the ones in the LS, because you do get that very comfortable suede and the leather trim on the outside. Bolsters are all nice and firm. Scuff guards, good condition there, and where people tend to get lazy and kick the doors open as well, there is minimal scuffing along the doors. Interior is very comfortable, and we'll go through that when we get on the inside as well. Now, if you notice the back windows, they are a little bit darker than the front. Now, that is just privacy glass to keep things in the back private. However, it doesn't give you the UV protection that tint would. So please ask us about our carbon tint, because we will be happy to talk you through the benefits of having window tint, especially coming up to, well, considering it is summer now as well. That next alloy wheel, once again, completely unmarked, beautiful design and plenty of tread in the tire as well. Keep making our way along to the back end of the vehicle now. Good design in the back here as well. You've got the chrome splitter in the tailgate there. Once again, you've got reverse parking sensors and a reverse camera. The reverse stoplight is just on top there, and you've also got your washer and wiper in the back end of that tailgate. Very nice design. You've even got kind of a crystal design reflector under your tail light. So very nice design at the back end. Now, a little button under the tailgate lets you open it up, and the great thing about the back end of these vehicles is the fact that you get a 50-50 split on these seats. So very easy to fold down, and they do fold down completely flat, which means those two seats aren't actually going to take up any space in the back end if you're not using them. So very well designed and super easy to use as well. Just pull that handle and they come straight back up. Now, under here, you've also got a cargo blind, so if you're not using the back seats, you can keep anything in the back very private. To unscrew the spare wheel, just open this cap and wind it down. Close this back up, and we'll keep making our way along to the passenger side of the vehicle now. Once again, as you can probably already tell, the paintwork does present amazingly on the driver's side, passenger side and rear end. On this side, you have got your fuel filler cap, and that next wheel, once again, completely unmarked. These two wheels on this side usually got the most amount of scratches because they are parked next to the curb. However, as you can already tell, very well looked after all the way along this vehicle. That last and final wheel, once again, really good condition there, completely unmarked, and plenty of tread in the tire as well. Guys, as you can already tell, 4 perfect condition wheels. Paintwork is spot on from front to back, and it has been looked after really well. So ask us about the glass coat, because we're going to talk to you about it anyway, because on a car like this, you need to protect your paintwork and keep it looking this amazing for as long as you own it. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions about the glass coat, we'll go through it with you, but for now, let's open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Under the bonnet now, what we have is Mitsubishi's iconic Myvec engine. Very reliable engine for those of you who know Mitsubishi's history. Now it is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre petrol engine, so paired with that 6-speed automatic gearbox, it is going to give you a very smooth drive. The ANCAP safety rating of this Outlander is 5 stars, and it's awesome to know once you go through all the MyVec safety systems that everybody in the vehicle is going to be nice and safe. Has got 7 airbags as well, which is a bonus. Power output is 124 kilowatts from this engine with 220 newton meters of torque. But where this car really stands out is actually its fuel consumption. So 63 liters of 91 fuel will get you a combined fuel consumption of about 7.2 liters per 100, and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 875 kilometers from a full tank. Alright guys, taking a look inside the Outlander LS now. On the driver's side door here, you do get that really nice piano black kind of sparkly design on the door trims. It is a very elegant design on the inside. Now on the driver's side door, you do also get your power window controls. They are all automatic up and down. Above that is your central locking buttons and your window lock, and above that again is the toggle for your power mirrors. Now on the right hand side here are a few of your safety system buttons, so forward collision mitigation and lane departure warning. If you want more information about how those systems actually work, please ask us about it, because we will go through it in detail. Now on the right hand side here again, you've got your headlight adjuster to give you the freedom to actually change the angle of your headlights. You've also got your stability control and a button that looks like 2 credit cards, which actually lets you switch through the display between your clusters. Now on the right hand stalk, you've got automatic headlights as well as your fog lights, indicators and your automatic high beams. On the left hand side, you've got your washers and your rain sensing wipers. On the steering wheel itself, you do get cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side. And now, being adaptive cruise control, the button down here will actually let you choose your distance to follow the car in front. On the left hand side, you've got all your media and hands-free controls. Moving into the center display, I'm just going to put it into reverse quickly. You can see you do get a nice red line there, which shows you when you are getting close to something behind you, but you can also see your rear bumper there. So very easy to back this car up even with your parking sensors. In terms of your media, you have got your AM and FM radio, digital radio, but you've also got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and phone connectivity. Down here you've got dual zone climate control, so if you've got a passenger who is picky with their temperature and doesn't want to have the same temperature as you, let them change it, because they can have their own temperature as well. Down the bottom, 12-volt socket and a little slot where if your key battery does go flat, you can just put it in there and still start your car. Down here again, you've got a USB input, eco mode and a few blank buttons if you wanted to add anything extra. Under here, tidy design, because you can actually hide those 2 cup holders. Very nicely sized cup holders, but they do tuck away nice and tidy. Leather wrap shifter there, and behind that you've got a little bit of storage here if you maybe wanted to keep your keys while you're driving. You've also got your electric park brake, auto hold, and plenty of storage in the center console. Behind the console is your rear air conditioning vents as well, and you've also got 2 USB ports in there if the kids in the back seat want to charge their devices. Now panning around the interior, you will notice, considering very low kilometers, it is in beautiful condition, and those back seats, roof lighting all present really well as well. What we're going to do now is jump outside and wrap up the video. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk-around video of this stunning Outlander. As you can see, has been very well looked after, and it's in beautiful condition, so you have made the right choice by inquiring on this car. Let us talk you through your protective options like glass coat, which is going to give you a lifetime warranty on that beautiful red paintwork. And let's face it, when you drive a car that pops this much when you are driving it or parking it, you're going to want to make it look this amazing for as long as you own it. The other thing is the Premium Mechanical Protection Plan, or Platinum 1. They will add an extra 5 years to your new car warranty, giving you coverage for, well, if it is a long-term investment, up to 10 years. And you also get up to 10 years of Platinum roadside assistance. If you have any questions about that deal at all, we're going to go through that in detail with you as well. The other thing I would recommend is talk to one of our financial advisors, our business managers, Julie or Mario, because if you are financing with us, they're going to show you just how easy it is to package a deal, which will give you all those protective options in there as well. Before I go, you need to also look at our Google reviews. Have a read of what people have to say about us, because you will find that you are dealing with a reputable dealership, buying a good quality vehicle, and we're going to look after you from start to finish, make sure that you're comfortable even after the sale. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 99070555. My name is Josh and Berwick Mitsubishi. Love that experience.